The price of your soul is the final goal. And the cost of a struggle, they say, is a different game. It plays with your heart and then it leaves you to shame while you lock it inside. 'Cause you're the one that you play when the pain is all you know. It's time to just let it go. Love will come back again. It's when you're shining, you're meant to mend. When you're healing, it's hope you land, so you can rise from a fall again. We'll have to keep believing that love will come back again.